zdaj se vsaj kaj vidi.
Hare Krišna, Hare Krišna, Krišna Krišna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krišna, Hare Krišna, Krišna Krišna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Zdaj vas lepo još jednom pozdravljamo i udobno se smestite, čeka nas sad jedno divno veče. Kao prvo ste verovatno svi dobili tu na ulazu jedne upitnike za koje vas molimo da odgovorite na ta pitanja, tako da znamo kako da pripremimo sljedeće godine još lepši ovaj ljetni kamp. U stvari, kako je se došlo do toga da smo se sakupili ove godine tu, znam da je više ljudi koji bi željeli dobiti iskustvo kako je život u templu, kako je sa ustajanjem, sa rano ujutro, kako ide cijeli program u templu. Tako da je to bila sad jedna divna prilika da smo svi iskusili to što znači ovo pravi spiritualni program. I tako bi se još jednom zahvalila svima duhovnim učiteljima, gurujima i drugim pravopredovim učenicima da su nas posjetili, da su nam dali tako divne seminare i da smo mogli dobiti tako puno inspiracije od svih njih, barem za jednu godinu. Ne? Se slažete? Da. Tako, ovaj kamp je sad bio prvi put održan na takav način, ali nije bio zadnji put. Sljedeće godine će opet. I tako da ćemo sad početi sa ovim programom na takav način da ćemo početi sa bhadžanima koje će voditi Krišna Kšetra prabhu i svi ostali predavači, tako da će biti to zajednički bhadžani i u kojima možemo svi pjevati do punog zadovoljstva. Ovako u familijarnom društvu bi se isto osobno zahvalila svim učesnicima. Because we're in a family, I would personally like to thank all of the spiritual masters and all the Prabhupada disciples to kindly come on this festival and give us opportunity to associate with us and to give us association. And I also would like to excuse myself for all mistakes which I have done and offenses consciously and unconsciously, so please kindly forgive me. i mislim da možemo nastaviti sad sa programom. Tako, sve nas zajedno druži Hare Krišna Maha mantra, je tako? I sad ćemo zajedno zapjeviti da se ostvari još jedna lijepa, zaključna atmosfera koju smo u stvari isto juče iskusili, ili prije 2 dana, kad smo napravili jednu zajedničku sliku kao jedna familija i sigurna sam da je Šrila Prabhupada jako zadovoljan sa ovakvim kampom i mislim da je to isto jako lijep uvod u sljedeću godinu, 1996. kad ćemo slaviti Šrila Prabhupada po cijelom svijetu, kad će biti 100. centenijal. Tako da molim sad guruje da zajedno napravimo bhadžani.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. ज्ञानाञ्जनाशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। मूकं करोति वात्सलं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपतमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं दीनतारणं परमानन्दमाधवम्। हे कृष्ण कर
ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Svayam Rupa Vedamayam Dadati Swavanantikam Mancha Kavadarubhyascha Kriva Sindhubhyevata Patitanam Bhavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Shri Vasari Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare. When I first got message, invitation from Udharta Prabhu to come to this summer camp, I thought, ooh, summer camp? And suddenly I had sort of horrible memories of when I was 10 years old and my parents sent me to a YMCA summer camp in Wisconsin, USA, for 3 weeks, and I was miserable the whole time. They made us do all kinds of nonsense things. So I was a little hesitant. Anyway, this is a wonderful summer camp, isn't it? It reminds me actually, also, yes, some months ago I was in Kumbh Mela, which is the biggest winter camp in the universe, probably. Several million people come together and they converge on Ganga Devi for purification. You've been to... one thing about this Kumbh Mela is that from about 5 o'clock in the morning until midnight, there are approximately, I don't know how many, 300,000 maybe loudspeakers blasting 300,000 different things at once. And I think these poor people here, they all come for, spiritual upliftment. And what do they get? They get a total cacophony of messages from all directions. None of them really so spiritual. Of course, the International Society for Krishna Consciousness has their center there, and that's really what saves it, because Srila Prabhupada used to go there. Actually, going there, I realized what austerity Srila Prabhupada would go through. He stayed there sometimes, how long? A couple of weeks. I lasted 2.5 days. It was really difficult. Anyway, they were all going there for purification, for elevation. They were all bathing in the Ganga. And that way it was very nice. But this confusion of sound was the main thing that I remembered. And it made me think how fortunate we are here in this miniature Mela festival, which is actually quite big for Slovenia, and which is going to be bigger next year, I'm sure. Proving that the spiritual world is actually unlimited and is always expanding. We're very fortunate because we are hearing the pure message of Krishna consciousness coming in this line of disciplic succession from Lord Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the six Goswamis, our previous acharyas, and we can get the complete package, the complete program, how to go back, home back to Godhead. So, the little message that I want to give is that in order to do what Sridhar Swami is saying, namely to be some kind of devotee, to do, how did you put it? To be some kind of devotee for Krishna. And to do what Satchidananda Swami is saying, to transform our consciousness. Srila Prabhupada would say, do the needful. Do the needful. In that little statement, he was implying that we have to use our intelligence, how to do whatever is necessary in order to attain this sublime goal. Now, Prabhupada didn't just leave it at that. Okay, you figure it out. No. He gave a nice little formula with 4 aspects, 4 points. The first of these is, books are the basis. In English it comes very nicely. How is it in Croatian? Books are the basis. Knjiga su osnova. Like that? Knjiga su osnova. So, not any books, but the books of Srila Prabhupada. These wonderful translations, realizations of Vedic literature. Then, what do we do with the books? Well, preaching is the essence. How does that go in Croatian? Propovedanje zuština. Yeah? Propovedanje zuština. Zuština. Suština. Actually, all of us should become preachers of Krishna consciousness. And for that we should become ideal ladies and gentlemen, as we are learning from Sridhar Swami in his nice seminar. And then, how are we going to preach? Purity is the force. Zistocha jest snaga. And how are we going to become pure? Utility is the means. Praktično jest sredstvo. Sredstvo, yes. So this is the formula for how we do the needful. So in each and every one of our situations, we have to see, now that we have all of this nice inspiration, we don't want it to go through our fingers, we want to transform it, how to do it, whatever has to be done, that we should do. However proactive we have to be. However, yes. So, this is really all I want to say, except I feel highly obliged to all of the organizers of this program. I feel unlimitedly obliged to my godbrothers, whose association, without whose association I would have been lost. And I feel highly obliged to all of you who are actually, without listeners, there are no speakers. So this is wonderful. And we, as Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, let this chanting go on like this. So let this summer camp go on like this, year after year after year after year after year. And between summer camps, let the Krishna consciousness expand unlimitedly. Thank you very much.
Sada bi zamolila još Sarva Balama Prabhuja.